Hey tech enthusiasts, ever get lost scrolling through endless gadgets on Amazon, wondering what's actually worth it? Well, I've got you covered. Today, I'm bringing you 15 of the coolest, must-have gadgets that are totally worth your money. And stick around till the end. I've saved the best for last. Let's jump right in, starting with a game-changing gadget for your home theater. Gadget 1. LG CineBeam Q Portable Projector. Imagine having the ultimate movie night without leaving your home. The LG CineBeam QHU710PB is here to redefine your cinematic experience. It projects stunning 4K UHD resolution with vivid colors thanks to its RGB laser technology. And guess what? You can turn any wall into a 120-inch screen. This is a true home theater experience in a compact package with autofocus and auto screen adjustment, so you never have to fuss with settings. It's also packed with LG's WebOS platform, which means you can stream Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, and more without needing additional devices. And it supports AirPlay, so if you're part of the Apple ecosystem, you're in for a treat. But wait until you hear about its portability. With its rotating handle and compact design, you can take your movie nights anywhere. Seriously, this is a game changer for movie buffs. Gadget 2. ZEEHOO Wireless Charging Station. Next on the list, the ZEEHOO Wireless Charging Station. This isn't just your ordinary charger. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse that can juice up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. And get this, its auto-rotating phone charger adjusts to the perfect angle for FaceTiming or checking notifications while charging. Plus, it's compact, making it perfect for your desk, nightstand, or even your travel bag. Fast, convenient, and sleek. Everything you want in a modern charging station. Gadget 3. Tactical pen, self-defense, and multi-tool pen. Now this one is not your everyday pen. The tactical pen is literally designed to be your everyday carry for emergencies. It's more than just a pen. It's equipped with a multi-mode LED flashlight, a glass breaker for emergency situations, and even a multi-tool that includes a screwdriver, bottle opener, and hex driver. Pretty handy, right? Whether you're out camping or find yourself in a tough spot, this little gadget ensures you're prepared for anything. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, meaning it's tough, durable, and water-resistant. Plus, it's an excellent gift for anyone who values both utility and self-defense. Gadget 4. Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Smartwatch. For all the adventurers out there, the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar GPS smartwatch is a must-have. Not only does it track your runs, hikes, swims, basically any sport you can think of, but it also charges using the sun. Yes, you heard that right. With solar charging, this smartwatch can last for weeks without needing to be plugged in. This watch is packed with features like endurance and hill score tracking, 24/7 health monitoring, and even a built-in LED flashlight for those nighttime workouts or adventures. And with a scratch-resistant sapphire screen, this is a smartwatch that can take a beating and keep on ticking. Gadget 5. Apple AirPods Max headphones. You probably know about Apple's AirPods Max, but let's just take a moment to appreciate the level of audio brilliance these bring. With their active noise cancellation, you can immerse yourself fully in your music or podcasts, blocking out the world around you. What's cool is the transparency mode, allowing you to hear your surroundings when you need to. Whether you're flying or just relaxing at home, these headphones will elevate your audio experience. And of course, they come with all the Apple magic, automatic switching between devices, spatial audio, and up to 20 hours of battery life. If you're a fan of premium sound quality, this is a must-have for your tech collection. Gadget 6. Instant Pot Duo Crisp. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp is an 11-in-1 kitchen powerhouse. It air fries, pressure cooks, slow cooks, and even makes yogurt. Thanks to its even crisp tech, you get crispy results with 95% less oil. It comes with 2 lids, one for pressure cooking and one for air frying. Perfect for quick weeknight meals or a weekend feast. Gadget 7. Ring Wired Doorbell Plus. Let's talk home security. The Ring Wired Doorbell Plus is your eyes and ears when you're not home. With 1080p HD video and two-way talk, you can see and communicate with visitors right from your phone. And with Alexa integration, it gets even smarter. Imagine being able to ask Alexa who's at the door and instantly seeing a live feed on your Echo Show. Whether it's for peace of mind or just to keep an eye on that Amazon package, the Ring Doorbell Plus is a must-have for home security. Gadget 8. Sonos Era 300 Smart Speaker. Looking to upgrade your home audio system? The Sonos Era 300 is a beast when it comes to immersive sound. Featuring Dolby Atmos technology, it creates a 3-dimensional soundscape that surrounds you from every angle. It's like being in the middle of your favorite song or movie. The Era 300 works with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, meaning you can connect it to just about any device, and its sleek, minimalist design makes it a beautiful addition to any room. This isn't just a speaker, it's a full sensory experience. Gadget 9. Oura Ring Gen 3. The Oura Ring isn't just a piece of jewelry, it's a revolutionary health tracker. Slip it on your finger and it tracks everything from sleep to stress levels to heart rate. Its sleek, discreet design makes it comfortable to wear all day, whether you're working out or heading to the office. And with its advanced sensors, the Oura Ring gives you health insights that are more accurate than wrist trackers. If you're looking to monitor your wellness and style, this is the gadget for you. Gadget 10. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Ember Smart Mug 2 keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for up to 90 minutes. Whether you prefer your coffee piping hot or your tea just warm enough, Ember ensures it stays at your desired temp. You can even control the mug's temperature through the Ember app, making it a great gift for anyone who likes their beverages exactly the way they want them. No more running to the microwave to reheat your drink, just pure, uninterrupted coffee enjoyment. Gadget 11. Secura Electric Wine Opener. Wine lovers, meet your new best friend. The Secura Electric Wine Opener makes uncorking your favorite bottle of vino effortless. It can open up to 30 bottles on a single charge, making it perfect for parties or even just a quiet night in. Simply place it on top of the bottle, press a button, and voila, your wine is ready to pour. It's sleek, stylish, and an absolute game changer for anyone who enjoys a good glass of wine. Gadget 12. Baseus Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Earbuds. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to premium earbuds, check out the Baseus Noise Cancelling Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds offer up to 140 hours of playtime and can block out 95% of ambient noise thanks to their active noise cancellation feature. Perfect for gym goers, commuters, or anyone who needs quality sound without breaking the bank. And with an IPX6 waterproof rating, these earbuds are built to withstand sweat and rain. Whether you're at the gym or on a run, these earbuds won't let you down. Gadget 13. VOLTRX Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. Fitness enthusiasts, you'll love this one. The VOLTRX Electric Protein Shaker Bottle takes the hassle out of mixing your protein shakes. With a single press of a button, it creates a powerful vortex that blends your shake to perfection in just 30 seconds. No more lumps, no more clumsy hand shaking, just smooth, delicious shakes every time. Plus, it's super easy to clean, and its compact size makes it perfect for tossing in your gym bag. Gadget 14. Katchy Indoor Insect Trap. Got a bug problem? The Katchy Indoor Insect Trap uses a UV light, powerful fan, and sticky glue boards to silently catch pesky flies, mosquitoes, and other small insects. It's perfect for anyone who hates dealing with bugs indoors but doesn't want to use harsh chemicals. Not only is it quiet and efficient, but it's also small and sleek, making it a great addition to your kitchen, living room, or anywhere bugs tend to gather. It's a lifesaver for the summertime. Gadget 15. Moon UltraLight 2 Portable Light. Last but definitely not least is the Moon UltraLight 2. This little gadget is a portable light you can clip onto your phone, laptop, or camera for that perfect lighting in your photos, videos, or even Zoom calls. It's adjustable with just a tap, offering both brightness and color temperature controls, so you always get the perfect shot. It's a must-have for content creators, vloggers, or even anyone who loves snapping selfies. Lightweight, portable, and super easy to use, it's the best gadget for on-the-go lighting. That's it. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Links to all gadgets are in the description. Thanks for watching.